Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for the US dollar Japanese yen FX for Thursday, August the 6th. Well, another day where we saw some good strong downside price rejection here. If we look at the wick here, it's quite large, and it's occurred in an area where we had previous fairly large wicks as well. So as the market tried to trade up through this zone of resistance that we identified and attempted to trade up to this intermediate swing high, there was downside price rejection from this market. Now the market also found support though within this previous zone of resistance that we were trading in. But there's a lot of indecisive trading in this market, and especially within this zone. We had a bullish day, a bearish, bullish, an indecisive day. A bearish day, a bullish day. So we're getting a lot of volatility in this market in the very short term here. Now the market did also find support here at the Tenkan-sen, which had turned flat, and that has the market traded down to there, and there was buying coming in there. So we have just slightly closed up above the top of that zone that we identified previously, but that zone now really is extending up to this area. Now we do also have a new first time frame uptrend. Now we need to go a fair way back to look to where the trend changed to the downside, and that was this candle here with a lower high and a lower low. Then we had an inside day, a borderline outside day, an inside day, and now we have a day with a higher high and a higher low, which means the trend is up. Now if this uptrend does continue, obviously we need to check out this area here where we had this strong downside price rejection. And if we take that out solidly, then we have resistance up here at around 96.30 from the top of the Kumo. The Kumo was very thin here though, so there is potential for this market, if it does trade up to here, trades into the Kumo and then outside of the Kumo, there is potential for this market to appreciate quite a bit. Just one problem here, if it does do that, we have a flat Kumo here, and sometimes we can get false breakouts, but that may be a fair way off. That may never eventuate. But there is strong potential there for a decent price appreciation if we can trade up above the Kumo. Now we are though trading down below the Kumo at the moment, which means the market has a negative bias, and we're trading above the Tenkan-sen and the Kijun-sen. The Tenkan-sen is above the Kijun-sen, which means that's positive. So we're getting a lot of mixed signals here. If the market does trade down, we may find support down here at the Kijun-sen. The Kijun-sen is pointing down slightly, which reflects some sort of a small negative momentum that the market may have had previously here in one of these candles. Solid support down here at these swing lows at 94, then at 95, and then a very strong support area. So some good overhead resistance, some very strong support, so a very indecisive market and a lot of barriers for this market to trade in either direction.